Good morning, guys. What's up? It feels so good to be back. I haven't been up this early to film in quite a long time. It is 7:09 a.m., which means I woke up at 5:30 to get everything ready. So what are we doing today? I have so many products on my desk. I do have to clean it, but today is for this. Today I'm going to be doing a demo and review of the Aveeno Calm and Restore for Sensitive Skin Nourishing Oat Cleanser. I have been waiting for this line to come to Canada for so long. I remember emailing Aveeno last year and asking if this oat line was going to be available in Canada, and they were like, yeah, it's going to be available there, but we're not really sure when. And I was like, what do you mean I need to try it right now? My skin loves oats. And finally, I saw it at a Shoppers Drug Mart near me, and the moisturizer and the serum completely sold out. There were only 2 left of the cleanser, so clearly still in very high demand. I will probably, if I can get my hands on it, do a review of the moisturizer and the serum. So look out for that. But for today, we're going to be talking about this. So this is a gel cleanser. It's formulated for sensitive skin. It's hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, oil-free, and it contains prebiotic triple oat complex. According to Aveeno, prebiotic triple oat complex helps to soothe sensitive skin while relieving itchy dry skin. Oats in skincare is really amazing, and it's one of my favorite skincare ingredients. And if you want to know more, definitely check out this video where I talk about 3 skincare ingredients that completely changed my skin. But basically, oats have been clinically proven to contain antioxidants and lipids and other compounds that help to nourish, strengthen, and protect the skin barrier. To be completely honest, I'm not really sure how I feel about this, even though I have been using it on and off for about 3 months now. I would say that while it isn't making its way onto my list of favorite cleansers, I don't think I'm mad at it, and I don't regret purchasing it, but I wouldn't repurchase, even though it does have good qualities. It is very gentle, it is very soothing, and I feel like it would actually be a really good cleanser for babies because that's how gentle and soothing it is. But I only really reach for this cleanser if my skin feels irritated and it's too sensitive for any of my other cleansers, which is really rare that that happens these days because I am really careful about taking care of my skin these days. And the reason I don't really like to use it often is because it leaves a very noticeable kind of film on the skin that can feel heavy. And in my experience, most oat products do leave kind of like film or kind of like a waxy feel on the skin. And when I'm using a lotion or a cream, I don't mind that. In fact, I like it because it feels like my skin is being protected. But I don't like it when a face cleanser leaves a residue, because then my skin just never really feels clean. So even though I know it's probably doing good things for my skin, I just can't bring myself to love it. And I know that sounds so dramatic because it's just a cleanser. It's not that dramatic. But I think it's also kind of a preference thing because my sisters came to visit me for a week over the summer, and every morning they used this and they liked it. And one of my sisters has oily skin and the other one has normal skin, and they both liked that kind of film that it left on your skin because, yeah, they said it felt like it was protecting their skin from the outside environment. So I think that with cleansers like this, everyone will have a different opinion. If you wear makeup or sunscreen, you will need to remove your makeup with a micellar water or an oil cleanser first because it's definitely not strong enough to get rid of heavy layers of makeup or sunscreen. Actually, it won't get rid of anything. So it's definitely a second cleanse kind of product. Or if you just need something to gently cleanse your face in the morning, this might be a good option for you. Because it didn't remove any makeup or sunscreen, I would just use it in the morning, and 1 pump is plenty. And yeah, I would just gently rub it around my face before washing it off, and it never irritated my skin, never left it feeling tight or stripped. And yeah, the good thing about it is that it did leave my skin feeling very soft, and it is just a very gentle cleanser. Overall, I think this would be a great first cleanser for those with normal skin or dry skin or dehydrated or any kind of itchy, irritated skin. I'm not sure if any other skin type would enjoy this because it does leave that film that sometimes can feel heavy, especially if you have oily skin, but I could be wrong. And if you use this and you like it, definitely leave your experience in the comments. If you live in Canada, you can find this in Walmart or in Shoppers Drug Mart. It retails for anywhere between $8 to $14. I always see it on sale, and I do think that's a great price for a cleanser this size. So if you've been eyeing it, I do think it's worth picking up for yourself and testing out for yourself, and maybe you will love it. Okay guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!